We finally made it to where we needed to be. And yeah.
We've no place
public service
to go.
Don't be a dick.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What's up, everybody? Jessie, yes? We two of them.
Yeah.
This actually should work as a layout. So, what's up, everybody? It's officially 9:02 p.m.
Your clock's wrong right here. It says to the
Yeah,
9.
yeah. It's well, that one. That one I never actually updated. I need to update that. It's 9:02 p.m. We're about an hour from my house, going south, and we still have 4 hours to go.
Yeah, we're going to South Texas. Actually, like, right now we're just going to west of Houston, because we're going to go do fun stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, like, we wanted to go to Matsuri, the Drift Matsuri at the Houston Police Academy this weekend, but other plans and fun things, which you guys are going to see what's happening.
Yep. We got a field trip ahead of us, boys and girls. We might try to stick our head in at the Matsuri, but we're not sure yet, because we're kind of predicting, because I think they're racing till 2 a.m. or something tonight.
Yeah, 12 or 2 a.m. tonight.
They're racing till a pretty late time tonight, and I'm not gonna like bank on actually getting there before they stop. And I'm also not gonna bank on the fact that anyone's gonna be coherent enough to race the next day.
That's especially true.
So, 4 hours to go. We'll hit you guys with updates as we go along. All right. Ooh, spicy.
I'm not going to express the name of what we just ate. You probably figured it out.
It's delightful. Better than Taco Bell.
So let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Update, everybody. Another hour down. We still have our sanity. Well, he does. I never had mine.
I don't know about that. I am absolutely fucking exhausted. I worked all day. I went to work at like 7 this morning or some shit. Went to bed last night at like midnight.
Yeah.
I don't know. When did I get off the phone with you?
You got off the phone with me around 10:20. It's around 10:10. So like close to 11. Close enough to 11 that it was probably pretty miserable.
Yeah, by the time I took a shower and everything, I was like absolutely exhausted. But either way, we gotta do what we gotta do to make shit happen.
Yeah, that's
what we're doing right now.
This is one of those fun field trip videos where we're just gonna get worse as this video progresses. Like we're either gonna end up like falling over dead by the time we get to our destination, or I'm gonna be so awake that I'm not gonna sleep until tomorrow anyway.
Like I said, I got 2 beers. So when I get there,
merge onto I-20 East.
I told this fool to get some, but
I'll grab some.
yeah, you have to do it before tonight.
Yeah, we'll stop and grab something to drink.
The good thing though is the plans changed a little bit on what we're doing. Because what we're doing, we were trying to do really early in the morning. But some stuff kind of changed, so we can't do it till 10. So we do have some time to sleep in.
Which would be nice.
Yeah, and relax, do shit. Because right now we're actually going to my grandfather's house, which is west of Houston. We're going to stay the night there, and then we're going to do the rest of what we got to do tomorrow, which again you guys will see later on. But either way, we'll keep just tracking away. We got another 3 hours and 32 minutes till we get to my grandfather's house. And just keep you guys updated and posting, because I'm pretty sure everybody's trying to figure out
Where we're going, why we're going there. I'll give you guys a hint. It's not a car, okay?
It's car related, because obviously, if this is going to be on Spur of the Moments channel, which it is,
Of course.
it's car related. And I'm one of the, I'm pretty much the founder and everything, low-key Motorsports.
Yeah, so I don't think we've actually ever done that. This is the perfect time to do that because I'm on a straight stretch of highway and I'm bored as fuck. Guys, this is Jessie Hollywood. This man is the owner, proprietor, and head of Low Key Motorsports. He is technically my team owner and technically my boss. Technically.
I guess.
Yes.
No, more or less. I mean, you know, anyways, what's up? I know you guys have like seen me in some other videos. But yeah, more or less, we're just a team that also just happens to love racing and try to do everything as a family. And, you know, have ways to support each other, which is basically the reason I started this whole thing. The justification of what Low Key Motorsports is.
It's also kind of the reason that I'm driving into Houston at 9:30 at night on a Saturday.
Yeah. Well, that's only because I had to work. Like, we still grind, even though we do like race car stuff. Like, there's a lot of grind behind it.
Yeah, there's so much stuff you guys don't see. That's half the reason that most of the Vlogmas videos are probably going to be condensed down now to like one video every couple of days instead of a video a day. Because of the amount of work that we have to put in the background just to be able to afford to do this stuff, and then also make sure that we can have our sanity so we can do this stuff. So yeah,
I don't know, my sanity's kind of going out the window because right now I'm working 6 days a week.
That sucks.
And we're making this trip at the last minute. Like, that's why it's so late right now, is because I just got off my 6th day this week. I have tomorrow, Sunday, off. Back at work at 7 Monday morning at the day job, just so we can keep doing exactly what we're doing right now.
Pretty much, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and apologize right here. I know I do this a lot, but I'm gonna apologize in this video that going forward, you guys are gonna be getting one video every like 3 days from me instead of a video a day for the rest of Christmas until Christmas. After Christmas, I might fall off a little bit. Then when January starts, you're gonna see a lot more of this man, my car, and a whole bunch of our other. Yeah, that's our update, so stay tuned for the next one. It'll be like in a millisecond for you guys and forever for us. So yeah. We'll be back.
The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow.
Update.
Update time. I'm fucking tired.
Come on, say it with some vigor.
I got vigor. It left 6 hours ago.
Fucking use.
When we started this road trip.
Yeah. Holy fuck.
No, I'm definitely psyched. I'm definitely super pumped. I'm just...
Yeah. The things that you guys are going to see, I think this is all, I don't know if this is going to be one video or not. I don't know. Well, either you guys are going to see it in this video or the next video because we're not sure if this is going to be one video. Wait until you guys see this. You're going to be so super happy that we did this. We're also miserable right now because it's like almost midnight and we still have an hour 26 to go.
Yeah, so the GPS says.
Yeah, so the GPS says.
Google GPS.
We're trying to beat the GPS. Problem is we keep stopping.
Your fault, not mine.
Just a second. I gotta get my drink.
Yeah, but so far, anyways, like the trip hasn't been too bad.
Nah.
Especially like making it this late. We're doing it on a Saturday night.
Yeah.
So there's not a lot of traffic. We're not having to deal with a lot of things. We don't have the midday headache. It's not. Yeah, it's definitely not fucking hot outside.
It's actually nice out right now. It's warmer than when we left back by me up in North Texas where it was like 34. I think it's like 46 right now.
Yeah, it's like 46 here. It feels really, really, really good when we get out of the truck. So we just stopped at a truck stop, get out, walk around, so this motherfucker could eat again.
Hey, we had dinner at like 7, all right?
That, I don't know. I usually go to bed at like 10, so.
Well, I didn't eat anything all day, and I'm bigger than you, so I had to get my nuggies.
Yeah, it justifies it.
But also,
chicken nuggets are too damn hot.
Ooh,
they
yeah,
just came out of the fryer, and he's like putting them in his mouth.
Sorry, I'm hungry. My ass hurt too. I had to get up. I got out of the truck and I almost fell over. I was so stiff.
Yeah, but you've been sitting in a truck for what? 4 hours.
What you do, you sit in the truck, then get out of the truck, then get back in the
But
truck.
my ass still goes in the seat.
Yeah, but it doesn't go in there for 6 hours dead straight.
Well, I spent 2.5 hours going to your house from my house.
Yeah, your seats are nicer than this one, all right?
They
This is
are
a bench
nicer than
seat,
this
all right? This,
We were trying to bring my... I have a lift to Tahoe, which you guys will probably end up seeing sometime in the future or something. Or on my channel, I don't know. But...
This tow vehicle
Yeah.
would have worked, but what we're going to go get, we feel safer taking my truck because we know my truck will do it. I'm pretty sure his Tahoe will do it, but there's still a little bit of doubt, and I don't like pulling with doubt because that's what ends up getting you stuck on the side of the road.
there's not really any doubt in my head. There was issues of like my heater was being weird
Yeah,
and shit
yeah.
like that too. So it was kind of like, oh, can we have all the room and be more comfortable, or
And freeze our balls off.
yeah, freeze quite a bit. I think when we got down here, it would have been a lot better though.
Yes,
Because it is
definitely.
warmer.
It is. We've officially entered the southern hemisphere of the
Yeah,
continental
we're
United
in
States.
like Hearn, Texas right now, and we came from. How do you say the fucking city you live in?
Alney.
Alney, Jackassville.
Pretty much the fucking. We came from like Oklahoma border. Like,
Bumstead Valley.
yeah, we came from an hour from the Oklahoma border. You're crossing the entire state of Texas straight the fuck down.
Yeah, your house is like 2 hours northwest of my house.
Yeah,
2.5 hours.
And you're Dallas.
Yeah, I'm Dallas, Fort Worth area.
I might as well be Oklahoma at that point.
Yeah, the trip's been going really good so far. We haven't had any issues or anything. We've just been
No cops.
well. We've passed a few.
Yeah, none of them stopped us, so that's a
Yeah.
good start.
Yeah, so we're definitely doing good on that. 'Cause that's the last thing we need right now is for somebody to hold us up for half an hour.
Won't even. It'll be more than that. Anyway, so we are still. We're actually less than 100 miles from our destination for the night.
Yeah,
And
it's actually not that bad. It's all like a back road.
yeah, it's not terrible. Like this is this is almost the same drive that I take every time we go down to Gulf Greyhound Park
Yeah.
for Lone Star Drift. Yeah, so I'm kind of used to this drive, but the upside is we're going down with no trailer behind us,
Yeah.
so that makes this
Less
drive
weight, less
yeah.
shit to do.
Yeah. Also means I can do 80 the entire way. Sorry, I can do 80 the entire way.
Well, this is Texas. Everywhere is like 75 minimum.
Yeah, but I don't want to get a ticket now.
Yeah. No, I know what you mean.
Yeah, so it's one of those, like, it's been a pretty okay trip. I'm still pretty awake. I managed to sleep in today. This man's like running on fumes, so
Yeah. I got up at 6, and then I have a newborn, so of course.
yeah, your 6 a.m. means you went to bed at 5 a.m.
Yeah. In a way, 'cause my son's only 5 weeks old, so he still likes to get up in the middle of the night and not let his daddy or mommy sleep. So, yeah, good justification for why I'm running on fumes and he's driving right now. I'll probably end up making the entire drive back.
It's all fair.
Yeah, just so we're completely even on the road trip. Plus, it makes things better that way. It always sucks when you're with people and you got like 2 or 3 people, and then one person just makes the whole trip
What
there
the
and back.
fuck is that noise? Do you hear that? Is that a train?
Yeah, it's gonna come down right down the side right there.
I've not seen a train since I left Jersey. Not kidding.
Oh yeah, down here, like in the boondocks area like this, yeah, you fucking see them. Yeah. So, all right. Well, I guess like as soon as he's done finishing up his food, we're gonna get back on the road, make this last little trek,
Yep. So last
and that way we can get there and
drink beer and relax for
yeah,
like
pop
2
a
hours.
beer open, relax, be happy
Yeah,
and thankful that we made it there safely.
Yeah, nothing broke, nothing blew out yet.
I don't know. Well, we'll give you guys an update when we get there once we got the bottles popped.
Yep. All right, back to the road.
So let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All right, everybody. So we've landed at our final destination for tonight. We're tired. It's 2 a.m.
Is it already 2?
It is already 2 a.m. My phone keeps buzzing because we're not near my truck.
2:05 actually.
Close enough.
Yeah, it was a long trip. We're tired. We're gonna relax, have a couple of beers, kind of unwind for the night. Tomorrow morning we're gonna pick back up. We're gonna show you guys the reason we came down here tomorrow, and then take the 6-hour trek all the way back up to North Texas, and hopefully shoot some more fun stuff on the way back up. So I think this is probably gonna end up being 2 videos. Maybe if this is 2 videos, then we'll close the video out now. If not, I'm just gonna edit that bit out, and we're gonna pick up tomorrow. So
Yeah.
so
Just depends on how much like we cut this all down and.
yeah, because there's like 2 hours worth of driving footage, but I'm pretty sure I can condense that to like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So
But the little like I don't know.
yeah.
Tomorrow we'll probably have more shenanigans going on.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll both be more awake. Like I managed to sleep in. This man's been going since like 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. or whatever it is.
6 is when I got up.
So he's been almost 24 hours straight. So I kind of feel bad. Getting close.
Hey, but it's all for the life though.
It is.
All for the life. All worth it.
100%.
It's just grinding out, man. It'll pay off.
Oh, yeah. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and close the video up. Stay tuned for the next video. If this doesn't come on video, stay tuned for the next video coming out directly after this one. You guys are gonna see the whole reason we came all the way down here and endured all this crappy weather, middle of December of Texas. Which I know some people are gonna be like, well, it's like -12 by me, so shut up. Well, this is Texas, and it's not supposed to be lower than 50 here.
Yeah. When it gets lower than like 65, we start panicking.
Yeah, they really do. Like this.
Well, not us, but everybody else does.
Yeah, so we endured this shit to come down here for this stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you see us in the next video. Hopefully see you guys in the next video. And as always, enjoy life. All right, sounds good.